Hi, my name is Daphne Pellig, and this is week three's video journal. So this week asked about our opinion about a life coach and their profession. And to be honest with you, I don't know if I have the greatest impression of life coaches. To me, I feel like it's an uncertified counselor, to be honest with you. I just feel as if they kind of have the same mentality as a counselor in the sense of trying to get their client to be able to deal with their problems on their own and find the solutions that work for them and kind of build that confidence and build those skills, which is kind of something a counselor does, kind of something what a therapist does, kind of a combination of both, just because counselors don't necessarily have the time to necessarily sit there and have the amount of time like a therapist does with a continuation. The counselor obviously is more short-term, kind of 6 to 8 weeks versus long-term counseling. And so a life coach, I kind of feel like, is in the middle. They can kind of go anywhere from 6 weeks to however long their client chooses to have a coach. But I feel like they're not as credentialed. They don't have the schooling and that education behind them as counselors and therapists do. So for me, it kind of seems like a workaround, which obviously going to school to get that licensing kind of seems a little unfair. But that's my basic opinion on it.